This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, May 23rd. Stock index futures up now for a third day, even though we did have economic reports today coming in on balance weaker than expected, including new home sales, which were rather disappointing. And yet the indices holding up relatively well. That in itself should be viewed as a sign of strength when bearish news is ignored. So we continue to look for additional gains in all of the stock index futures across the board. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index temporarily higher at one point, but under some pressure again. We continue to see the dollar index underperforming the news. That basically has been the pattern for the most part all of this year. And I would expect the dollar to continue to come under pressure, even though the Fed is likely to raise rates one, possibly two more times this year. Seeing the euro currency, though, trading higher now at a 6-month high, with those highs registered yesterday. The economy of the Eurozone seems to be putting in a very good performance as of late, with economic reports today, all of which coming in much better, including some new record highs for some indices, so that the euro currency is likely to remain firm. Also, the interest rate futures markets from time to time are being supported by the flight to quality influence, but the dominant long-term influence still remains the stronger global economy and the inflation outlook, both of which are bearish. So on balance, the fundamentals are on the weak side, which are likely to pressure the long end of the curve. That leads us to our favorite markets, though, now. The gold and silver, especially the gold, which has most of the fundamentals, if not all of the fundamentals, lined up to the bullish side. Flight to quality is coming to the forefront. That very much a positive for gold. Stronger economy, more inflation. So any breaks that you see in the gold market, $5 to $10 breaks, should be used as buying opportunities. And I think before the end of the year, we will take out the 1297 high registered earlier this year. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.